According to AARP, here are the 6 top scams to watch out for in 2024 and what you can do to stay safe. Check cooking scam. Thieves alter stolen checks digitally. Stay safe. Drop off your checks directly at the post office and monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. 2. Voice print scam. Thieves create fake voice prints to impersonate you. Stay safe. Avoid answering unknown calls and verify identities through text. Be cautious, even with familiar callers. 3. Sweepstakes scam. Scammers request personal information under the guise of prize validation. Stay safe. Hang up on calls promising large prizes and never disclose personal details. Number 4. Virtual celebrity scam. Imposters pose as celebrities and ask for money. Stay safe. Be skeptical of direct messages from supposed famous individuals and never send money. Number 5. Grandparent scam. Scammers impersonate grandchildren in distress, seeking bail money. Stay safe. Verify the situation by contacting the family member directly through their usual means of communication. 6. Paris Olympics scam. A scammer hacks your email account and sends your contacts a message like, "I'm in Paris and my wallet got stolen. Can you help me out by sending gift cards or a Venmo deposit?" Stay safe. Don't rush to respond to urgent requests for money. Verify by contacting the person directly through a trusted source. More free tools and resources are available at AARP's website, Fraud Watch Network. If you suspect fraud or have been a victim of a scam, call AARP's helpline at 877-908-3360 and follow us at Customized Aging for more ways to make your longevity lifestyle safer, easier, and more beautiful.